subscribe to Motomart and type shit.
Hell yeah. What's up, Mark crew? Hey man, say hey man, good morning to all the beautiful people out there. Today we got a little special one. We got a little special video today. We're going out. It's 8 in the morning currently. You know, we're listening to What Up RJ type shit. We on that. We're about to go hit some desert trails on the little YCF dirt bike, you know, the Motomart way. You guys are excited for this, you know, me and the big Bronco, we going, you know, we gonna do our thing. If you guys are excited about the dirt bike content, the off-road content, whatever Motomart post, we post it. We on that type shit. If you guys are excited for the video, man, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications on, and tell your grandma, tell your mom, tell your sister, tell your whoever about Motomart and how this shit is a movement. So, me and the Bronco, we about to go get it. I'm gonna see you guys at the track. Let's get it. So we pulled up. We got the dirt bike getting ready, warmer, and you know, we gotta. She's cold. We just put some fresh gas in it. We have a little bit of rain, but I'm gonna try my best with my phone, with the tripod. We're gonna set thing up. You know, we're gonna set it up, get some nice, get some great views of this track, because this track is the reason why I'm coming out this early and in the rain. So I'm gonna suit up. We got the bike running, warming up. We got some good gas in it. Tires are good. We had a flat tire a couple days ago, but we fixed it, so we're good. So I'm about to suit up, and then we're about to head out there. All right, my crew, we made it. It took me a second to find where I needed to go because I've never been here before. But you can see, big berm. It might not look steep, but look how steep it is. This is the craziest shit I've ever seen. There's coyotes. There's some animals out here that I don't want to see, but we're gonna do what we have to do. And I'm gonna ride a little bit, show y'all what the Motomart team can do. Motocross, sign me, Monster Energy, we on that. Let's get it. Man, that shit is crazy, dude. Motomart, Motocross, we in this bitch. Hey, I got arm pump. Hey, this bike for a supermoto. A supermoto really does what is other competitors are capable of doing. I'm hitting bumps, I'm hitting berms, I'm hitting ruts, I'm hitting whoops. Whatever all that frame terminology, it's doing it. It's doing it very well. There's a bigger track over yonder. I want to go over there, so we're going to set you guys up over there. I just want to show you guys this real quick. We're coming up here. That thing is at least 20 feet high up in the sky. I'm walking right now up to this. I want to show you guys how it's going to look from up here. And I'm going to hit it on the YCF. Look at this. Dude, look at the bike. This is fucking crazy. This is the most beautiful view I've ever seen. You guys see how steep it is? Right here is an easier way to come up. But down here, you know I gotta hit that. Yeah, I gotta hit that. Let's go hit it. that was a great thumbnail. We got high up there. These tires on the bike are doing really well for being street tires. So now you can see that skate park over there, skate park type thing. We're about to go hit that. We're about to go hit that, Motormart crew. Let's go! I don't know about you guys. I'm getting these thoughts right now. I'm getting these thoughts. You go over there, and then, oh, let me get closer. So you come from down here, shoo, and then right there, you see where it kicks off. And it's just a very steep ramp or jump. You can see they marked it with the white blanket because that's how you know that shit's real, son. That shit's real, make you want to smack your mama. Man, that's some crazy shit, man. Hey, I'm tired. Dude, I just want you guys to look at this for a second. Surprise, Arizona, on the 2021 YCF 150 Supermoto. You don't see Motomart taking a Supermoto in the desert. You don't see anyone doing that. But Motomart, because it's the one and only Motomart here. Hey, I'm tired as fuck. All right. I got arm pump. I don't know where the fuck I'm at. Hey, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Fuck. Whoo. Hopefully I can get some cool pictures out of those videos. Because, I don't know. I think Motomart's the best motocross dirt bike rider in the game. Let me know in the comments, motherfuckers. Hey, stay true to my crew. I love you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.